just a bit.
Hi, I'm WXYZ-TV for 7 News Detroit. So today, two class action lawsuits were filed against DMC Sinai Grace and Henry Ford Macomb that granted privileges to Dr. Omer Ejaz, a Rochester Hill-based physician charged with multiple sex crimes that includes filming nude pictures of women and children.
These multi-billion-dollar medical institutions failed to place patient safety first, resulting in hundreds, if not thousands, of patients being sexually abused or sexually exploited.
Attorney Parker Steiner says one class action lawsuit has been filed in Macomb County and the other in Wayne County. As per the complaint, both Jane Does were treated by Dr. Ejaz in 2023.
These class action lawsuits are on behalf of all patients, whether they know yet if they were recorded or not, who treated at either Henry Ford Macomb or DMC Sinai Grace from 2018 to 2024.
Last month, the 40-year-old internal medicine doctor was arrested and charged with 10 felony counts. According to Oakland County Sheriff Michael Bouchard, the victims range from children as young as 2 years old all the way up to adults. The criminal activity took place over a span of at least 6 years.
And these facilities provided these patients with a sexual predator. For at least 6 years, Dr. Ejaz was able to take videos and photos of many patients, probably hundreds if not thousands, who were disrobing, naked, or using the restrooms.
Dr. Ejaz was a contract physician who went to different locations. The police also identified victims from a local swim club in Rochester Hills. Investigators so far have seized 6 computers, 4 phones, and 15 external storage devices. One of those hard drives alone reportedly has 13,000 videos on it.
We do not yet know what Dr. Ejaz did with these photographs or recordings. And we understand that individuals who were treated with anesthesia are particularly susceptible to having been assaulted by the doctor.
A few dozen women so far have reached out to the law firm that may be potential victims. Attorney Simone Shinton says victims should not delay in coming forward as Michigan has a statute of limitations.
These same institutions that will tell survivors to sit patiently and wait for the criminal process to run its course will turn right around and say that they took too long to come forward and blame victims by the time they get to the civil courthouse. This is the playbook for how medical institutions escape accountability.
So far, what has the health systems sort of responded to your claims?
That essentially that yes, he worked here, but he wasn't one of our employees, and it's denying responsibility. It's probably trying to dodge civil lawsuits like this, denying justice for survivors of abuse.
Meanwhile, Sheriff Bouchard says since the arrest, 127 potential victims have reached out via the dedicated email set up by the sheriff's office.
I believe that we're on a path to have more charges added, but since he's in jail with a $2 million bond and his next court appearance has been pushed off to next month, we're taking time to make sure we put together all the information that's necessary for prosecutors to make determinations on any additional charges.
Now, I reached out to both health systems for comments. So far, I haven't heard back from them. In the meantime, the next court hearing scheduled for Dr. Ejaz is October 14th, and as the story develops, we'll keep you posted. For 7 News Detroit, I'm WXYZ-TV.